In this video, we're going to continue to look at multiplication, division, and the order of operations. Use a highlighter to highlight the operations in the problem, determine the number of operations to be performed in the problem, then compute the results by using the convention of performing the operations from left to right. Okay. So let's look at the first one. Let's identify the operations. So here we have a dot, that means multiplication. This is a division symbol, and we have another dot for multiplication. So here we have 3 operations to perform from left to right. So let's start with 6 times 4, the leftmost operation. So we have 24, and I'm going to copy the rest down, divided by 2 times 3. Okay. Already it may be very tempting to multiply this 2 times 3. You know it's 6, 24 is divisible by 6. It seems like the right thing to do, but it is not. Remember, you have to do these one step at a time and one operation at a time and work from left to right. So now we have 24 divided by 2, which is 12. Bring down the times 3, and 12 times 3 is 36. And we've completed the problem. Let's look at the next one. We'll start by highlighting our operations. Here we have division, division, and right here, this is implied multiplication. Okay. We call this juxtaposition. The two numbers are written next to each other, and one of them is in parentheses. If they weren't in parentheses, it would look like 23, but some lazy mathematician decided that writing that dot was too exhausting, so they decided to put the 3 in parentheses, which would probably be more work than the dot, I guess, and put them right next to each other to show that we're multiplying. And we do this very frequently, so you should get used to this idea. So we have 2 divisions and 1 multiplication. So that is 3 operations. Now working from left to right, 24 divided by 4 is 6. So we have 6 divided by 2 times 3. Okay. Again, it's tempting to say that that's 6. Okay, but we need to work from left to right. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and we have 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. Something else to notice is that I have 3 steps here and I perform 3 operations, so that's a good way to check that you did them one at a time. And you should also check these on your calculator. That's what it's there for. I want you to be able to do these by hand, but the quickest way to know if you're making a mistake is to check it on your calculator, so you don't repeat the mistake. If you repeat a mistake often enough, it kind of gets locked in your brain and you'll repeat it more often.